Sir. So the situation is such in the whole nation now that we all are equally concerned and equally worried. So I may be from Odisha, I will definitely speak about Odisha, my own state, but at the same time I'm equally concerned about all other states which my colleagues have spoken about, be it Assam, be it Arunachal Pradesh, be it West Bengal, Rajasthan, Andhra, whichever, Telangana, whichever state, sir. Sir, geographically Odisha is located in such a way, sir, that it is highly prone to natural calamities. Almost every year or maybe alternate year, we face a severe natural calamity, sir. So, in this year, we have the situation now, since last 15th of July, the railway bridges have been affected, the electrical connectivity, the mobile connectivity, the telephone communications, everything has been affected severely. National highways have been affected. Villages like Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana and rural villages, roads, everything has been affected. People are facing severe problems, sir. Sir, but people of Odisha at the same time feel privileged and honored to have a dynamic and great leader like Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, who always handles such situations in such courage, such bravely that people of Odisha love him. For this way, sir, I request the present government to please consider Odisha's demand since long. We have been demanding that as we are prone to natural calamities, we have been demanding for a special category status for the state, although you will say Niti Aayog की वजह से you won't be able to give it. Okay? जब प्रधानमंत्री जी खुद ओडिशा के बाहर जाकर, बाहर राज्यों में ओडिशा के बारे में बोलते हैं कि सबसे पिछड़े जिले अगर देखने हैं, भूखमरी अगर देखनी है, गरीबी अगर देखनी है, तो ओडिशा जाइए. अगर प्रधानमंत्री ऐसे बाहर जाके बोलते हैं, so definitely it's his responsibility, it's his duty to provide special package to Odisha people. But I don't know why he's silent in the house. He loves to speak good outside the house, sir. And I'm a good listener to him. मुझे उनकी भाषण अच्छी लगती है. He speaks good dialogues. But those dialogues must be turned into actions. Sir, again I'll come to the flood situation. Sir, I think the procedure of granting and providing financial assistance to those affected areas, naturally affected areas, is very slow and very long, sir. In 2013 में we had filing, लेकिन उसके पैसे मिलते मिलते 2 साल 3 साल लग गए और इस हाउस में बार-बार हमने ये आवाज उठाई थी. मेरे कोलीग्स जो बीजू जनता दल से हैं, हर किसी ने इस बारे में आवाज उठाया था. सर, इतने इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में मिलते हैं कि लोगों के लिए काम करना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है. Sir, still my state government has been efficient enough. मैं उनको invite करता हूँ. I invite the NDA government, the union government, to come and see in Odisha how beautifully and how dynamically we have constructed the flood relief shelters. लोगों के लिए कैसे किस तरह से काम किया जाता है, लोगों के पास कैसे खाना पहुंचाया जाता है. You ask us, we will give you special assistance without any kind of other interest, sir. And naturally we are affected. And at the same time, man-made calamities are also affecting Odisha. Sir, I'll finish. I'll not take much time. I know the. Put your question. Yes, sir. My question I'll put. Sir, I've already put one question. Now the second one, sir. Sir, the present man-made calamity in Odisha is related to Mahanadi, sir. So, will the union government assure here in the house that its good officers will restrain Chhattisgarh government from its ongoing projects on the upper stream of Mahanadi? And if yes, our demand from the state government to form a tribunal to solve this problem, when are you planning to form a tribunal and solve this problem out, sir? And please, it is a deep concern from all of us in the house. Every single state which is facing this flood situation right now in a very, very critical condition, it's the duty, responsibility जो इतने वोट पाकर, इतनी majority पाकर सरकार बनाई है जो आपने, you are responsible, you are accountable to the voters, to every single voters of the nation. You please take an immediate step to solve every single problem that the nation is facing. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Sri Madhav.